walks by the river, her bare feet cold. The sky whispers secrets she'll never be told. A book in her pocket, but she can't read a line. Her voice is a treasure she'll never call mine.
The wind, it howls, but it can't break free. Just like her dreams beneath that old oak tree.
Silent bird with wings that can't fly, tied to the earth, but she looks at the sky.
A man's wise, her years waits at the door. Silent bird,
she can't sing anymore.
The dress they gave her, it don't feel her own. The weight of the future chills her to the bone. She dreams of a meadow, wildflowers in bloom, but the path she's been given leads straight to her groove.
Her heart